In this video, we will go over how to load images using RadSim Study Identifier or RSID and other filtering tools, how to scroll through the images, how to adjust the window width and the window center, and how to define and delete a region of interest or a ROI. To start the CT module, go to radsim.se/CT. The CT module should load in your web browser. You'll see two window panels, one on the left, one on the right, and a set of buttons at the bottom. In this example, we will load two datasets to obtain views in different exposures, or MAS values. We will do this by using the RadSim Study Identifier and some other filtering tools. To start, click the Load New Series button below the left window panel. You will see a list of all the available datasets. In this example, we will use a specific RSID to limit the available datasets. Click Saved Filters, and you will now see a list of different RSIDs. In this example, we will use number 3, which are CT scans of the same large size male, scanned using different KVP values, exposure or MAS values, slice thickness, and convolution kernel. Click Apply. We can further filter this selection down using the filtering tools on the left. In this example, we will click in the kernel text box and select B31F, which is a standard soft tissue reconstruction kernel. And then the KV slider, we will grab the minimum slider handle and drag it all the way to the right. Can then scroll down and grab the maximum slice thickness handle, dragging it all the way down. We're now left with a selection of data sets that are from the same patient using the same kernel at the same KV value with the same slice thickness. To load a data set on the left side, we'll click the one with 150 MAS. To load an image on the right, click the Load New Series button below the right window panel. You will see that the dataset loaded on the left is highlighted in green. On the right side, we will load the dataset with 300 MAS. You can scroll through the images using your mouse scroll wheel. By default, the two CT stacks are synced. You can turn this off or on down in the bottom left corner. To change the window width or the window center, make sure the window width, window center button is clicked down below the window panels. Left click and hold in the image. Drag left and right to change the width, or left click and hold and drag down and up to change the center. To define a region of interest, click the ROI button below the window panels. Click and drag to define a region of interest. You will see the mean Hounsfield measurement, the standard deviation, and the area of the region of interest. You can resize this region of interest by grabbing one of the handles. You can move it around, and you can delete it by dragging it outside of the image.